Welcome to Concept Online Class. Concept Online Class. Paumin lecture khat chai tavin tunia lecture 2 bol du he ong. Lecture 1 na chu recap tam khat ga apolo te ong lecture 1. Lecture 1 na chu pipi na bo vam ti so mas pen tunin tam khat ga siute. Lecture 2 ahin one chu mas pen arithmetic progression ni piam ti bols na arithmetic progression so piam ta le ma definition chu next term minus previous term chi het ngai chong na minus previous term het la vale thela wi previous term chu next term minus previous term chu constant hi chi arithmetic progression hin dinga chu si definition by satisfied bol ngai chong next term minus previous term is equal to constant chi boltavin abana chu number 2 chu how to find the nth term. Nth term iti holovam the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 a plus n minus 1 into common difference. This is the formula for finding the nth term. Na chang boltaw chong athum na chu sum iti holo tawai the formula for finding the sum to sum up to n terms. Sum up to n terms equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into common difference. Silong na chiang bol tao. Sunga he sum iti holo de ham join bol tao. Chuteng le abana hi chu natural number hung na number 4 chu natural number chu tabang chu natural number term tiale number starting from 1 2 3 up to infinity chi natural number hi so natural number ang chu sum holo dan balls na natural number as sum chu iti holo tawei sum of natural number is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 chi na isam ta kai bolos la sunga natural number ang hi arithmetic progression nei chong lokal na confuse na low divin natural number di tenga le natural number chu ipipiham 1 2 3 4 5 ita chi so natural number na tang sunga hi next term minus previous term chu 1 next term minus previous term 1 next term minus previous term 1 next term minus previous term so constant is natural number hi next term minus previous term so bona ke bangso okay so chia so natural number ang hi arithmetic progression ni chong natural number ang hi arithmetic progression ni chong ya so nga sum hodon sum su chi form lang so man thei so sum is equal to n by 2 t power so general form arithmetic progression chi pang man cha thei chu no problem ai wanga chu tamkhat sa ngai hongnom zap long na hongnom zap chu sum of for finding natural number equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 tang chi nom zo so na so variable hi 1 bo zo n bo zo variable hi tang variable a ang d ang n ang thum 3 variables so na so hi only one single variable so hi n single variable na ya chu chi hot nom zo so hi ka sei banga so hi 3 variables a kha ta variable hi kha ta nium ta thum mai so ya so this se pa hi za so natural number ade nga chu chipai za de so so chanda ka chi bol chu lecture 1 ai bol chu tham khat chamlam tai ga sei wen lang bana natural number sum samiti holo dam natural number odd natural number di tenga le tiam natural number so het tasula natural number is equal to 1 2 3 counting numbers or to natural number it usula na natural number it so nga odd natural number di tenga le tabang hawam odd natural number is equal to odd numbers is so 1 3 5 7 9 11 up to infinity so si odd natural number kiti song abanting le odd natural number in both setting le abanting even natural number in both na jong le to hi odd natural number velte odd natural number hi sum iti holo dam ti so bana hi odd natural number hi sum iti holo dam So sum of the formula for finding sum of odd natural number to epita n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d na. So nga kuna derive ball ke odd natural number. So sum for odd natural number 2 sum for odd natural numbers sum for odd natural numbers equal to pitam. So nga hi first term hi 1 here common difference aram 2 common difference 2 odd natural number ang hi arithmetic progression so nga is arithmetic progression definition satisfy ball long na constant term I mean common difference so one constant so chia chu arithmetic progression nei chong odd natural number ang hi ya chu chiang hi za thei ta chu chi formula hi za thei chu ai wa nga chu variable thum long chu na ya chu sa nga chu norm zap ti da odd natural number ang ti nga le formula hang za chum ta chong si derivable ke diu ta so sum of odd natural number up to n terms equal to n by 2 2 into a so nga first term hi 1 plus n minus 1 n so n ai tai common difference is nga hi odd natural number 2 so okay, let's see n by 2 2 1 is 2 plus 2 into n so 2n minus 2 into 1 so 2 minus 2 to plus 2 cancel ai pim tam equal to n by 2 so twice bom long na or equal to sunga 2 to sunga 2 10 ni cancel ai chun pimutava n into n or equal to n square. So this is the formula for finding the sum of odd natural number na sum of odd natural number squared so see this is the formula for finding sum of odd natural number so n square chi man sa ta chong to example ka ga te then to so hi odd natural number is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 up to let's say n term up to n taute so I find the sum up to third term ta ka sum hol taute third term ta ka sum hol le first term second term third term so this is plus ball vale ta 9 long sum is equal to 9 hotel sunga hi chi ita even like ngai so wanga sum up to 10 term sum up to 100 term 50 term 200 term ti ngale iti he du term na cha chu chi formula pa man cha diu chong therefore sum up to third term 1 to 3 term ta ka sum hol hote sum up to 3 term equal to formula to sum equal to n squared use na so nga n hi piam n represents so nga hi n represents number of terms number of terms n who a term so nga hi 3 term thum ta ka sum ti ja chu so nga hi sum up to third term equal to n square so nga n hi pidam 3 terms ta term thum ta ka 3 square equal to 9 diamond dil so 1 2 3 term ta ka sum chu 9 ale sum up to 5 term 5 term ta ka 3 4 5 term ta ka sum ya da term ya na sum up to 5 term is equal to 5 square that's all equal to 5 square to 25 so sum up to 5 terms so plus ball ale 25 9 plus 1 10 7 plus 3 10 20 plus 5 25 na yeah to sum up to 100 term hold out le so I term 1 first term second term third term fourth term fifth term up to 100 term ta ka sum ya the term equal to 100 squaring so 1 2 3 4 10,000 na 10,000 is the sum of odd natural number from 1 to from first term to 100 up to 100 terms na okay ale question ka na find the sum of the first 85 odd natural number 85 odd natural number first 85 odd natural number so first 85 iti ale odd natural number si piang ki pandam 1 ang ki panding 3 bana 5 bana 7 ta chi ding up to 85 tam ta ka 85 first 85 ta ka so first 85 is 85 tam taka tam say na so my first 85 is first second third fourth that's yeah first 85 taka 85 na first second third fourth tam fifth tam sixth tam that's it 85 tam taka first 85 tam taka odd natural number has a sum ipiham to hold on this song. So therefore formula dung as a sum for finding odd natural numbers ipiham sum is equal to n square sum up to n times n square this one and represent the number of terms. Therefore sum is equal to n sum up to 85 term equal to 85 square loading is a sum equal to n squaring so number of term 85 square 5 square is 25 8 9 is 72 725 this is the sum of odd natural number of the first 85 odd natural number sum of the first 85 odd natural number sum to 7225 next first 85 odd natural number tia so 85 times 85 term taka odd number ho sai na chong first for example first 5 odd number yadam 1 example khal ga ti he tamhat net devin first 5 odd natural number yad that ppm first 5 tale 1 3 5 7 9 china first 5 it's also it's bang as first 5 tale 5 it represents the term how many terms 5 terms first 5 terms nice okay ban chiu tele next question is value find the sum 1 plus 3 plus 5 7 up to 199 okay so I had the khatsum so I odd number here 1 3 5 up to 199 chin 199 last number is on chi term hello bisu yeah the sum hold on the was formula so sum up to n term is equal to n square it use na ale so I term ya tan chi hold head ngai ta so 1 3 5 7 9 up to 199 to kai term odd numbers ya mam ti head ngai so 199 was 200 long 200 taute 200 sunga chu odd number ya mam even number ya mam tiale 100 odd number 100 even number chong ya so sunga hi lai odd numbers 135 after 199 he in terms of atama say denga so 100 terms na so 100 zakat tinai so 100 odd numbers there are 100 odd numbers so 1 2 3 4 decimal up to 199 taka so 100 odd numbers say so yeah so find the sum 135 up to 199 so sum is equal to 100 too long up to 100 yes 100 square that's also 100 square is equal to 10,000 oh la important to be hamdele meta he atam ang kipi lo te ngai lesson is that mam tisu hold on I head ngai so I odd number is that mam up to 199 taka 1 up na 199 taka so odd number is that mam tisu head ngai so it's head denga so 199 was 200 so na 200 la 200 so odd number even number is that 200 sunga so odd number even number is that dam tale 100 odd number and 100 even number so yeah the sunga he sum of odd numbers from 1 to 199 is equal to 100 square 100 huyang ham 100 it represents the number of terms is 100 terms so 100 square term square is equal to 10,000 this is the sum of odd natural number from 1 up to 9199 to kana ke ban chiu tele bana he sunga he find the sum of the first 10 odd natural numbers na sum of the first 10 odd natural number first 10 odd natural number first 10 question must spend question number 1 value han first 10 should be piam so first 10 should be masaute first 10 odd natural number na first and also 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so hi first 10 is on ya chu sunga hi so samiti hol odihom 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 19 tinai cha kutale sunga hi samiti hol odihom sum equal to c odd natural number formula so sum is equal to n square na n chu piam tam sungai tam zat mam wana pana 19 to ka so odd number is at mam chu het ngai chu na ya so 19 wana so 20 long 20 sunga chu odd at mam even at mam 10 odd 10 even ya sungai 10 odd number so mai chong ya so sum is equal to 10 square is equal to 100. This is the sum of odd natural numbers from 1 to 19 na bana so find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Question number 2 was value 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 50 to ka hi sum ya ham ti chu odd numbers na. Find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 50. 1 up and 50 to ka odd numbers ho si sum ya ham 50 hi odd number lo bi chong. Ale sunga hi sum is equal to n square number of terms square ti term that mam odd number is that mam ti het ngai chula odd number that mam 50 sunga hi odd is that mam even that mam half is on 25 odd 25 even nai chu as you see 51 na pana 50 to ka so 25 odd numbers so sum will be 25 square na equal to 5 square to 25, 2, 3, 6 to 5. This is the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 50. Bana ho find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 20. Na 1 to 20. 1 plus 2 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 20 to cut so 20 sunga hi odd number sum of odd numbers at mam is at ham hold in this on and the sum is equal to n square term how many odd numbers are there from 1 to 20 na 20 sunga chu odd number at mam even odd 10 even 10 so half is so yeah so sunga hi 10 square odd number 10 square equal to sum of odd numbers from 1 to 20 to 100 na okay abara hi example khan vekute find the sum of odd numbers find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 10 1 apana 10 to ka sum of odd numbers hold on this on 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus like to kas 1 apana 10 taka this 10 to le odd number to lo ya na ya sunga hi sum suiti holo ta ve sum is equal to n square sunga hi 10 taka chu odd ya amam even ya amam ti su na odd to 5 even 5 so 5 square 25 9 plus 1 10 7 plus 3 10 plus 5 so 25 na bona so ngai senom peno so ngai from to between find the sum of odd numbers example khat veote find the sum of odd numbers to so from a tia to between tele odd numbers between 1 to 10 1 to 10 to ka between tele chun 1 ang zawlo 10 ang zawlo chong sungai odd numbers iti holo diom sum of odd numbers na so sungai hi ti bol diom taile sum equal to 1 apana 10 ta ka so odd number ya namam 10 su odd number hi lo ya su ho do su na 1 apana 10 sum to odd numbers 5 o me cho ya so 5 square ti dio ai ma sunga hi between ti a chu 1 jaw lo chong 1 to 10 jaw lo chu 10 su odd number hi jong le between ti a chu 1 jaw lo chu ya so sunga 1 hi nong la do ki ba le am ta 25 minus 1 equal to 24 so between and ten I let see one is out it's wrong see one is out 7 plus 3 10 9 plus 9 plus 5 14 14 plus 10 so 24 na yeah so from to between t I can hit now it's wrong example bottle out there of odd numbers odd natural numbers na between for example between 5 to 20 5 to 20 sunga odd numbers is sum ya ham ti so find the sum of odd numbers between 5 to 20 so sunga his sum of odd numbers between 5 to 20 5 between the 5 to 20 daw lo chong sunga between so ito bang wahiti volume ta le sunga hi si sum of odd numbers up to n times so n squared ti la si formula hi ki jang thai lo sunga is si 5 one I ki pan lo so na 5 1 apana 5 to ka so pang lo so odd numbers si pang lo so example ga vet this one 1 apana 20 to ka so 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 1 apana between 5 between 1 apana 20 to ka so odd number evanga hold some hold and so sunga cc sami hold and so yes azu sunga hi jo cc sami ti hold do hom sunga general formula je pa ki bang thai lo chong ai ju chi 7 a ki pan chula na 7 apana 19 to ka bo so 135 ki to out lo so ya chu chi ta bang formula add a ball diu edong la do ki diu chong thì va edong la do ki diu cho so add a ball violet so si add a ball violet thing tas la 1 apana 20 to ka odd numbers na sa so si so sum is equal to 21 apana 20 to ka so odd numbers ya mam 10 me so 10 square so ngai wanga cho daw lo ya cho si si nong la do ki du cho minus 1 apana 5 to ka add a ball cho na formula man thein de nga chu 10 square ti va eva cho si si add a ball va enong la do ki du cho 1 apana 5 to ka chu ya ram so ngai between 5 to 20 to 5 sung like it guys 5 to only va 5 to ka so so 1 apana 5 to ka odd number ya mam 1 2 3 na 3 square equal to 100 minus 9 table okay ban chu le find the sum of odd numbers between 1 to 10 between so ngai between to a problem bol do hi between ai chu between 1 to 10 1 to 10 sunga hi odd number si sum ya ham veutna sum is equal to so sunga hi between 1 to 10 ti as 1 to 10 sunga chu odd number is at mam dale odd number sunga am na 5 1 to 10 sunga so ji chu sunga hi 10 to ka ji du ya 10 a chu odd ang umentin even ang umding half e chong odd ang 5 even ang 5 me sunga hi between 1 to 10 as odd number so 5 dai 5 square sum is equal to n square ya chu n 5 square dai eva nga sunga between ti as 1 zaw lo chong 1 zaw lo ya chu sunga hi 1 enong da lo kit vai le am ta 25 minus 1 equal to 25 minus 1 is equal to 24 na chi tai abana next question the next question sum of odd numbers between 10 to 20 oh so I 10 to 20 between 10 to 20 atiale joy bolong i bol tabang ba chu sum is equal to 1 apana 20 to ka chu odd number is mam 1 apana 20 to ka chu 1 apana 20 to ka chu odd chu even 10 ti so na so asu 10 square ai ma so ngai between ti asu 10 masang sisi out lo chong 11 apana 19 11 apana 20 sunga odd numbers here mam so plus so hold on ti asu sunga he 10 square minus sunga hi between dia su sunga 10 apa nama sang sisi pang telo hi chu 10 na so sisi pang telo hi chu so si asu yan sunga hi wana apa na 10 to ka edible wa inung la ki diu chu pa na si processing ma ba chu bu chu sunga hi ya la lo di ham telo 10 to ka chu ya ramam 10 to ka chu odd number chu 5 long na 5 square inung la do wa le 100 minus 25 equal to 75 see on okay aban chu tele next question so I find the sum of odd numbers between 11 to 20 between 11 to 20 11 to 20 sum of odd numbers adam tale just same process ma mai ong one apana 20 to ka odd number is mam still one apana 11 to ka so odd number is mam ti so inung la do ki so so sum is equal to 1 upon 20 to ka chu odd number 10 lo do na 10 square minus chi between the so 11 is all chong 11 za lo ya chu 11 upon number sang si ya chu odd number is mam 1 upon 10 to ka chu 5 ele plus 11 to le 6 lo na 6 square la lo di equal to 100 minus 6 ya tam 94 so next question now 11 to 20 11 to 21 between 11 to 21 well let's somehow doubt so between 11 to 21 to 11 apa nama sang is all di ya hidang le to hi edible di in la do ki so la do di ho so koi ko ham so se one apa na 11 to ka so one apa na 21 to ka hi 21 between the 21 zau ki lo so sungai 21 zau ki lo so between the so 20 sunga ila do so odd numbers so 1 up na 20 to ka so is mam 10 so 10 square ila do di pa he 1 up 1 to 11 it's on 1 to 11 so 1 to 11 sunga so number mam 6 square equal to about I bold here even natural numbers na natural number in bold tao natural number in bold over so to hi natural number so in bold tao natural number 2 about general formula for finding sum of natural numbers so sum is equal to sum up to n times equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2 it is na abana so odd natural number so odd I hungwa odd natural number sum so odd natural number sum so iti holo ta ve sum up to n times equal to n square to hi even I am so to hi even natural number I sum hi derivable ki diu so ma ba nga achoma i holo ki diu ya even natural number ti tinga le counting numbers 1 2 3 4 diu na up to infinity see natural number here so I even ti tinga even even natural number si la do 2 4 6 8 10 that's it so even natural number it's male so I sum it all of them sum of even natural number it all of them general formula to sum equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d diusla na cha ko na hi derivable ke diu chang cha ko derivable ke diu natural number even natural number sum it all mi vet ke diu so even natural number ang hi vel alen chang hi arithmetic progression ma mai so batang so next term minus previous term next term minus previous term next term minus previous term chi bona constant so ya chang hi even natural number ang hi arithmetic progression ai chang ya sum it all of them sum up to n terms of for even numbers as it all of them tele cha ko na derivable ke diu chang n to n tautin 2 into a so nga a first term to 2 na 2 plus n minus 1 common difference with common difference with 2 long equal to n by 2 2 is 4 2 into n minus 1 to twice n minus 2 or equal to n by 2 tingna sunga hi 4 minus 2 so 2 na 4 minus 2 so 2 so twice n plus 2 4 lit je as a sign plus ya plus lao cho le sunga hi n by 2 sunga hi 2 common la do wale 2 common la do wale pimta n plus 1 long so 2 to 2 cancel le equal to pimta n into n plus 1 this is the sum of even natural numbers up to n term na so therefore sum of even natural number is equal to n into n plus 1 see this is the formula for finding sum of even natural number now example is 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to 20 chito ka hi samiti hol on the formula siman charges so sum is equal to n into n plus 1 na formula for finding sum of even natural number na chang hi chi even natural chi arithmetic progression nei cho so sum is equal to up to n term as chi general formula chi tai hotel is sungai sum is equal to n adam n chu sungai hi la n represents number of terms is number of terms so hi 2 apana 4 up to 20 to ka hi even is that even number is that dale 20 to ka chu even is that even odd half from this na even 10 ding or 10 ding ya so n hi 10 la do so 10 into 10 plus 1 ibola 10 la 10 terms me so 20 to ka chu even to 10 terms me so 10 into 11 equal to 110 this is the sum of even numbers even natural numbers from up to 20 na one up to 20 to cut ngai so sungai hi ta jang langkara ta jang bo thei chu even numbers sunga 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 that is up to 20 to ka hi samiti hol ode hom tai le 2 common la do sa thei chu na 2 plus 2 is 4 2 3 is 6 2 4 is 8 that's it ding 2 10 is 20 see 1 2 3 4 the arithmetic progression tlo natural number as na natural number so sum is equal to 2 into sum of natural numbers ipyam n into n plus 1 by 2 see general formulas la chi ban cha wai le 2 into n so ham 10 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2 or 2 to 2 cancel out equal to 10 into 10 plus 1 so 11 equal to 110 tang bol thei chong yang lan direct ga so even natural number sum holo dan pa chu he dai le chipai na chipai ban sa la direct ga bol thei dai bol thei example khat vikiru te find the sum of first 55 even natural numbers first 55 is so first 55 the 55 to ka lo 55 term to ka term 55 to ka natural number hold in it so therefore sum of natural numbers of even natural numbers from of the first 55 city hold do ham tale se banga first 55 even number so hi 55 hi a term is 55 even natural number first 55 even natural number has some so na so formula general formula for finding sum of even natural numbers to n into n plus 1 ji ban cha du chong equal to 55 into 55 plus 1 ji long na or equal to jiata 55 square gram 25 5 6 30 plus 55 or equal to 3 0 5 7 80 3080 see this is the sum of first 55 even natural number na first 55 ti chu na se banga chu 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus itachi ding up to 55 tam 55 taka tam numbers we pidawang si say thelo ana first number 2 double chu at 110 numbers tinaya na 110 taka he sum is at amam ti so hold on ti chong yeah so this is the sum na next question to find the sum 2 plus 4 plus so I sum iti holo de ham see even natural number here up to 100 sunga chu up to 100 sunga chu even natural number ya mam chi guys on see first term second term third term that lesson sum up to n terms n into n plus 1 maintain the va na sunga term is at mam chi guys on even natural number he is at mam chi guys sin thing chu sunga term 2 apana 100 taka chu sunga chu even number is at mam ti sen guys 100 taka chu even is at mam odd at mam half long na 50 even 50 odd, so sum is equal to 50 into 50 plus 1, 50 into 51, 5 5 0. This is the sum of even natural numbers from 2 up and 100 to cut. So here about to the left, find the sum of even numbers from 10 to 20, from 11 to 20, from 11 to 21. Got it. Question number 1 also. Number 1 so we have 10. 1 home from 10 to 20. 10 to 20 sunga so even natural number sum that ham. This song. Sunga odd numbers I bought the bang was takhat mama so sum is equal to from tele sunga he 10 to 20 10 agi pande ya up to 20 sung 10 apna 20 sungati ya chu sunga he general formula for finding sum of even natural number n into n plus 1 sipai ki jang thai ki lo so is si 1 agi pan lo so na or 2 agi pan lo so ki pan ding do ma ki pan lo so ya chu 1 apna edible du 10 sung taka so edible du ilin sa du 20 taka na inong la do ki du song ya chu sunga sum is equal to 20. So I hold on here sum of even numbers from 10 to 20 this song. So 10 to 20 sunga he even numbers was is sum ya dham. So iti hold on hum sum is equal to from 10 to 20 the one apana edible it to edible general formula sum is equal to up to n times si za thing also abulam ki pan guys on abul ti chu 1 apana 20 taka even number ho chu izar ham chipasi hol odiu 20 taka chu even number chu 10 chula 10 n into n plus 1 10 plus 1 minus edible diu chu 1 apana 10 taka hidi ava sunga hi from 10 to 20 to 10 zau sai ya chu 1 apana 10 taka chu even numbers of 5 from here sunga 10 langa zau para hi 5 lo hela 4 so 4 into 4 plus 1 and so liu mai chu 2 4 6 8 na 10 chu sunga zau sai ta ya chu 4 is on liu mai chu je nong la do kit vai le sunga chu something module ta 10 into 11 minus 4 into 5 110 minus 4 5 is 20 9 10 11 na 90 long na. Next question so from 11 20 this na from 11 to 20 sunga this 11 to 20 sunga even number yet mam sum hold order yeah so sum is equal to question number 2 na hi 11 to 20 sunga chu even natural number sum hold order yeah so 1 upon 20 to ka chu even number mam 10 into 10 plus 1 na si general formula ai wanga sungai from 1 I keep on low ya chu 11 I keep on ya chu si formula is at hello si at anything as 8 ki bola chong 1 apana 10 to ka 8 ki bola chu inung la okay do chu I bola 8 ki bola si formula za thina dinga 11 apana 10 to ka chu even za mam 5 into 5 plus 1 na 10 into 11 minus 5 into 6 equal to 110 minus 5 6 30 equal to 80 지요 아기 hitna pa he tam cha cha mai tam agi hitna hoi na tam cha cha so he het ngai chong abana chiu tele sunga he from 11 to from 11 to question number 3 na from 11 to 21 this na from 11 to 21. 21 is even number low, yeah. So 21 to ka 20 to ka to ang chi 21 hi last number pa hi in chi even number even low, yeah. Chi zao lo ta so zao sa lo de, so sum is equal to 1 apana 20 to ka so even that mam 10 into 10 plus 1 formula na minus 8 ki bol so 1 apana 10 to ka 8 ki bol 1 apana 10 to ka even number that mam 5 into 5 plus 1 10 into 11 minus 5 into 6 5 into 6 equal to 110 minus 30 80. This is the sum of even numbers from 11 to 21. Oh, so nga from 11 to 20, from 11 to 21 tiyo agi hit na nyaw na answer ki bang zong le abol dan nung za so nga 11 to 21 ti so 11 to 20, for example so nga example khat vel layo te ya tin devin example asu from 11 to 22 ti na from 11 to 22 ati lesson 22 is even number here. That from 11 to 21 tivang 21 so kila low so 21 so odd number e so ya so 1 to 20 sunga so even number mam ti pa si hold ya so ngai sum is equal to 1 upon 22 to ka so even is that mam tale 22 to ka so even to 11 odd 11 long na so 11 into 11 plus 1 minus 1 upon that 8 ki bol bam 10 to ka 8 ki bol so 10 to ka so even number bam 5 into 5 plus 1 na equal to 11 into 12 minus 5 into 6 data 132 minus 30 or equal to 102 siya na aki hit na pa so tama head ngai so nga from 11 to 21 from 11 to 20 from 11 to 22 so na aki hit na neo mai so head chen da wa he thei lo is aban chu tele khat ve tam khat explain bol ta ju na from sum of even numbers from 11 to 20 11 to 20 sunga even natural number sum idaram ti holo dem na ti bol dom dale sunga he 11 to 20 sunga chum even numbers here mam 11 so odd na ya chi pang hi vatta 11 12 11 to 20 sunga even numbers is hold out 12 14 16 18 20 sang si so si na so si ya so si plus bol violet so answer si module na chu yang lesson hong tam ta lesson chi ha di ta na ya so formula se man cha na formula so sum equal to n into n plus 1 chi man cha thaina di nga chu songa n ong ki bol chu add a bol pau chu bp add ki bol ham chu viaute songa he 12 vele songa he 10 pang ding bana 8 abana 6 4 2 so si 8 bol ngai so na chi formula za thina ding nga so is see sum of even natural numbers from 2 aki panding up 20 na chi ban cha thing ding nga so 8 ngai so 8 pas inung la do ki do so ngai inung la do ki do so ngai pp 8 ki bolam 6 plus 8 plus 10 ya so si assignment hall oil si 2 apana 20 to ka so even natural number is mam dalle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 na 20 to ka so 1 apana 20 to ka so even to ya mam dal 10 mai so ya formula ma so si n represent number of terms so 10 ya so 10 to 10 plus 1 10 plus 1 so nga minus so nga hi so 8 pau so inung la do ki du so nga 2 4 6 3 1 apana 10 to ka so even number ira mam to takha cha dai biso si na 1 apana 10 to ka even number so na option na 1 2 3 4 5 ya so 5 into 5 plus 1 si inung la do ki du so 10 into 11 minus 5 into 6 110 30 or equal to 80 chi na enge pp bolo tabam ga veute mas tu nai bolo se siu chu mas pena chu odd numbers are samiti holo dem na some odd number sum chu sum is up to n terms chu n square or n represents number of terms here na n represents number of terms bana chu odd numbers bana even chu even numbers yung ba even sum up to n terms for even numbers chu sum is equal to n into n plus 1 so n represents number of terms so then he tunya si bolo he akit teng le next topic di hi piam tai le next topic di him next topic di hi of squares of natural number chi bol de natural number or square samiti hol them for example 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 square so samiti hol them ti pa he ban topic de tu na dingin sai tau te le